So I wanted to elevate a pre-made cake box mix, so I replaced the water with milk, melted butter for oil, and added additional egg, and the liquid was the same equivalence. I wanted to use the blueberries that are from my parents' garden, and I wanted to do some type of blue icing because my dad's birthday, his favorite color. So I ended up not using the icing or frosting, rather I just used the whipped cream, and you'll see that later. But I wanted to put like blueberries in every single thing, and I just followed the same directions of the preheating the oven and cooking it. So this is how it turned out. Obviously I used a dome, I didn't have and I cut it out. I didn't have like the two different pans. I was like, that's just too much time. So hopefully the whipped cream will remain its integrity by tomorrow, but this is not my best design. But sorry, Dad, but happy birthday!